I'm Laurent Prost. I'm a product manager working for Alice & Bob, and I'm in charge of making our quantum computers available over the cloud and through HPC centers. So we are here to advertise Alice & Bob's approach to quantum computing, and in particular to push the message that the future of quantum is fault-tolerant quantum computing, and we have a very specific approach based on CAD qubits in order to make this happen. This conference is important because we want to bridge the world of quantum computing, which is still very deeply rooted in research, with end users and applications, and the world of defense, the world of industry, who are going to be eventual users of quantum computing. So we need to bring that together, the technology that we are developing and the use case that they want to solve. We need to make that come together. Many people are scared by the word quantum. As soon as they hear quantum, then they go back in fear, and then they say, oh, I'm not going to understand a word of what's coming next. Actually, it's I'm not going to say easy to understand because it's still quantum physics. But if you put in a bit of effort, then you can still understand what is going on. And the most important thing, after all, is not so much in what we do, it's not so much the quantum physics, but the use case that we will enable eventually, the problems that we're going to solve in chemistry, in material science, eventually possibly in also optimization, in machine learning and cryptography. So all these things, people, I think, can understand them. And so the impact of quantum technologies are things that they can understand. I think that right now we're witnessing a huge momentum in quantum computing in particular. The past year has been full of very promising experimental demonstrations showing that things that a few years ago we thought were either impossible or very difficult are actually being achieved on real hardware by several different companies. So that gives us a real hope that this is really going to work and that we're going to have useful computers eventually. We believe that there are still a few years of work before we have something that can really be used by the industry to replace the supercomputers that they are using today, at least for some use cases. But the progress that is being made on several different fronts really shows that this is not just a one-off, this is not just one company showing something exceptional, but really the whole field moving together towards something that is working. I'm very proud that we have so many good quantum talents in France, that we have so many startups, that we have so many academic labs working on this and showing progress that has nothing to envy to what is being done elsewhere in the world. And so I'm thankful for that and hope that we will see more great progress coming from French companies.